What up, boys? We're going to Tommy's shop today. We're going to pick up his 96 Acura Integra Type-R. I don't know if you guys seen on his video, we took out his swap in like 15 minutes of stock B18C. I got my brother with me today. It's the first time going to Tommy's shop. The plans with this car is he wants to put a K-swap in it. So he called the Honda guys up, was like, look, I need a K-swap done. I said, no problem, you know. We're going to pick the car up. The car is a shell. He painted the engine bay already. So we're picking the car up. We're going to work on his car this week. So we should be there in about an hour. I'll show you guys the current condition of the car when we get there. All right, boys, just got to Tommy's shop. Yo, Matt, what's your first like impression?
That these, right? You have to think about it. These cars are what, like 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, like that era? Yeah. So how rare are these cars and how hard is it to find one of these cars nowadays, right?
Super, super hard.
This motherfucker has like 30 or 40 of them right here in one parking lot.
I think he's exaggerating. Let's get out.
No, let's get out and count them.
There's probably
like 30 cars here.
I want to say there's probably like 100 here. Apologize for the rain. It's shitty out. But I ain't gonna lie to you. It's definitely, there's a...
Oh, you got fucking R33s, R32s.
So there's a good 1, 2, there's 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. It's gonna be like maybe 16 plus more in the back.
There's a whole bunch of shit here.
I'm gonna ask Grant if he wants to sell me the Beamer. Yo, where's your jacket at, bro? Alright, boys, pretty shitty day out today. I couldn't get recording inside. There's a bunch of film crew here, but we got the car loaded up on the trailer. They painted the bay, did a great job. I'll show you guys the car. Here's the Type-R Integra. There's no motor and we have all the parts in the back. Engine bay's fully painted. I'll show you guys more when we get to the shop, but this is the current car condition. So the car was bone stock before they took it apart. Real Type-R, I think it's 96. So we got a lot of work ahead of us because they took apart the complete engine bay. There's literally nothing in there. The cowl's gone, the wiper, we gotta pull all that stuff back on. Power steering. I don't know if they're keeping the power steering. The ABS is out. So this is the car in the current state. We're gonna take the car to my shop now and I'll show you guys more underneath the hood. All right, boys, I got Tommy's car in the shop. This thing needs a ton of work. Tommy knew what he was doing. He brought the car to the right place to get a K-swap done. We're putting a K24A2 from a TSX. He gave us a brand new Type S oil pump kit from 4-piston, skunk tooth street style manifold, throttle body Myers header, and we got a Type S RSX transmission for it, putting a brand new M-Factory LSD with a comp 6-buck clutch. He wants to make like 220. I think he's gonna make more than that. I think he's probably gonna make 220, 230. I think maybe 240 for pushing it. Maybe put a set of RDX injectors in here. But I'll show you guys the car. The car needs a lot of work. Look at all these parts in the trunk. ABS unit has to go back. Literally everything. Cowl, booster, master, headlights. You name it, it's in this car. You gotta check the interior out. The interior still needs a ton of love. We still have to pull out the factory shift linkage, but we're gonna keep all the factory stuff. And then we have to mess with some of the wiring there, but a lot of that stuff has to be removed. I'll show you guys the engine bay. They did a great job over there at Tommy's shop. Undercoat looks really good. I don't know if you guys could see that. Engine bay came out super nice. Probably the nicest thing on this car. The guys over there did an amazing job. So look at the current engine bay, look at the current condition. That way you guys get an idea of what we're gonna do to it. Completely stripped. So make sure you guys stay tuned. The car's in the right hands. Tommy called the Honda guys like, yo, I need a K-swap, you know? We have hella K-swaps here. That's why I told him I'll take care of them, right? K-swap for days. It's like, Tommy, you want a K-swap? I got you. Just like he got GTRs, we got Civics here, we got Integras, whatever you want. But stay tuned for more updates. Make sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe.